today's session, we are going to learn about a technical indicator which works very effective in Indian market. The accuracy of this indicator is almost 80%. That means if you are trading with this indicator in a disciplined way, out of 10 trades, there are very high chances that at least 8 will be in your favor. And the name of this indicator is Supertrend. Supertrend is an all-in-one indicator. That means it generates entry signals, calculates stop losses, modifies the stop loss with respect to time, and also generates exit signal. That means if you are just following Supertrend, it will automatically give you points where to buy and where to sell. Now let us look at the work of Supertrend in Indian market. I use Zerodha platform to trade, so I'll be logging into my Zerodha Demat account. So I just put in my ID and password and click on login. And you can use any other Demat account, but prefer Zerodha because as of now it is India's best brokerage house. So this is my Demat account. I have only 2 stocks as of now in my watch list, State Bank of India and JSW Steel. To add more, I'll just go to my search panel and click any stock, maybe let us say Ashok Leyland. Click on that and it appears in my watch list. Now to see the charts of these particular scripts, all I need to do is click on them and click on the chart button. Right, chart C, just click on that and the chart appears here. So right now it's showing me 5 minutes candlestick chart of Ashok Leyland. It's 5 minutes candlestick and the Supertrend is already inbuilt in it. How to add Supertrend? Just click on the studies and then go to Supertrend. Just search in the for the studies. You'll get an option called Supertrend. Click on it and don't change anything. Period 7 and 3, let it be, and click on done. When you click on done, I have already clicked, right? So the Supertrend appears. This is your Supertrend. Now the red and green line you see here is your buy and sell signals. The green arrow indicates entry and the red arrow indicates exit, right? So here it's a sell signal, and from here the script is supposed to go down, and you can see how well the stock has fallen down. And the line traces after the arrow, the line traces down, indicating that will be your stop losses. So at any point of the time, if the red line gets triggered off, the red line will convert into green line, indicating that it is your buy side. Right now it has not yet triggered, although it has the tails have touched 2 or 3 times, but the red has not yet converted into green. So it indicates that the market is further going to fall down for State Bank of India, right? In the very same way, you can see the chart of many different scripts and for the different time frames. For intraday we follow 5 minutes candlesticks, and for positionals we follow 1 day candle. So if I change the time frame to 1 day, it will show me the positional trade, right? And it has also been very effective. See this red arrow, it is generating a sell signal somewhere around 304. From there we got a very good rally from 304 to almost 240 levels, and then from around 250 levels we got a green arrow, and then from there market suddenly shot up to 340 points, right? So effectiveness of Supertrend is very good in intraday as well as in the positional trade, and it works for almost all the scripts in the same way. That means for any script you take and apply Supertrend, the effectiveness will be very good. Around 8 to 10 trade out of 10 trades, 8 will be in your favor for sure. In the very same way, if I see another script called Ashok Leyland and change this to 1 day, there is a positional script of Ashok Leyland showing me a buy and then gave a good rally, a small sell in between which did not work very well, and then again a buy, and then buy, rally shot up like anything, right? So sometimes Supertrend do fail, like for example in this red candle it has failed, right? From there it has gone up, then again a sell signal, market shot down, and then again a buy, and from here market is again shooting up, right? The red line which comes here is your stop losses. This particular 121.02 is right now your stop loss if you are entering at this point of the time. And if I go for intraday, I have to choose 5 minutes, and it works almost the very same way. Market gave a very good rally from 127 to almost 132, gave a sell and again a buy, which did not work very well, and then again a sell, with current market price being 129.60, now 129.55, and the stop loss is somewhere around 130.15. So in the very same way, you can try Supertrend in your platform and work, and try it, experiment it, and do let us know how did you feel about it. And if you have any doubts or queries, feel free to comment in our comment section, and if the strategy works out well, feel free to share your views. And if you want videos on any other topic, do comment so that we can create a video on that as well. Thank you so much. Please do like, comment, subscribe, and also share, because your sharing will help many other people make money. Thank you so much.